Jagoro mongirore migawo mochune rawere Fikirini Jacobs owacho ni chenro duto mag yiero mag rawere pachoka oseketne ikruok makare. Kanotwak gi jofwambo, Fikirini Jacobs owacho ni girito jatend migawo mar tuke kod dongruok rawere Salim Vuria mondo ket ayanga tarik mar yiero e oboke ma piny owacho.
The future belongs to those who step up and lead. We urge all Kenyan youth to rise, to register, and participate actively in the upcoming National Youth Council elections. These elections are an opportunity to vote and amplify your voice, articulate your vision, and establish your rightful place in shaping leadership at the national level. As I have indicated earlier, the last NYC election was conducted in 2012.
The regulations envision a process where the election can be online or physical or hybrid. And so the National Steering Committee, which comprises representatives from the IEBC, the National GAO structure, the Ministry of Youth, young people themselves on the National Steering Committee, that is chaired by Mr. Osaso here, will provide guidance around what mode will be used, and all young Kenyans, provided you carry a Kenyan ID, is eligible to vote in the election.